Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you the basics of JavaScript, chapter 7. First, let's open Notepad+, and then as usual we will start with HTML tag. Okay, wait, I changed the style configurator to default. Save. And save it as HTML file as usual, like the first time we did it. Name it to test. Okay, let's do the body tag, also the script tag for JavaScript. As usual, type equal to text script. Okay, okay, we'll start with operators. Operators in JavaScript can be used like assign operators such as equal to, plus equal, minus equal, and much more. Okay, we'll use plus equal for now. Let's create a variable y equal to 3. Okay, we'll do like this: x plus equal y. Let's see the output in the browser. As usual, we will use document.write. Don't forget the concatenate operator. Save. And let's open it. Why is it default? Because let me show you why. It is because x plus equal y equals to the same as x equal to x plus y, and that is why it is equal to 4. Now we're gonna learn about the comparison operators. Comparison operators often used in a if-else statement, where we need to compare two things, or maybe to two things, so that it is to check whether the statement is true or not. Let's create a variable z equals to 0. There you go. Z is 0. It will output the z is equal to 0, and else z is not 0. If z is not 0, then we will output the z is not 0. There you go. We got z is equal to 0. Okay, what if z is not 0? Let's change the value. Let's change the variable z value to any numbers. Save it and let's refresh. Z is not 0. That is how comparison operators works. Okay, next we are gonna learn about logical operators in JavaScript. Logical operators like and, or, and one more is not. Yes, and, or, and not. These operators can be used in JavaScript with this kind of symbol. Let me show you how the and works. And there is the coding. So let's see the value. We change to 30. Num is 30 because if it is not between 50 and 100, the output will show the second statement. Let me change the word so that you can see the difference. There you go. It will output the second statement. If you put it 100 back, so it shows the first statement. Okay, now we are gonna learn about using plus operators to connect two strings or more. Let's create a variable txt1 I'm yours, and txt2 variable with value I'm yours too. And the set variable that doesn't have any value inside it, we're gonna assign the value inside txt3. There you go. Let's save it. Check on the browser. Forget plus symbol. There you go. Oh, it shows all the text 1 and text 2 in text3 variable. Okay, now we are going to learn about formatting numbers in JavaScript. You know, we can make a point in JavaScript, specific point. And let me show you how I did it. First, we need to create a variable named decimal equals to any values with point. Doesn't matter how many points you put it, just write it as a value to decimal. Now we're going to present it in decimal, specific decimal. Many many kind of decimal point, like 2 decimal point, 3 decimal point, 4 decimal, and so on. We're gonna show it like that. Okay, let's save it and let's open it in the browser. There you go. You see the point has been changed to according to what I want.